Hi, I'm Brian Gorelnik with the injury losses of Brian D. Gorelnik. One of the most common questions that most clients always ask immediately after an accident is, how much is my case worth? Well, that really depends on a variety of factors. Is there an issue as far as who's at fault in the accident? If at least it's a car accident case, how big was the collision? Typically, the bigger the collision, the easier it is for a lawyer to prove that someone sustained injuries from that. Also, what are the injuries? What do the tests and studies show the injuries are? Are you able to prove those injuries are related to the accident? And what sort of medical treatment and limitations and restrictions that you have? Typically, in the beginning of a case, when I sit down and meet with the client for the first time, I will tell them this. And it's kind of common sense that the less you're hurt, the less medical bills you have, the less medical treatment that you have, or the less invasive care, the less restrictions you have, the less your case is worth. And I hope all my clients are not significantly injured. But obviously, the less you're hurt, the less injured you are, the less your case is worth. Conversely, the more injured you are, the more medical bills you have, the more invasive treatment, if you needed some form of surgery, the more your case is worth. So you typically only be able to make that determination after one has completed all their medical treatment. And at that point in time, we'll be able to factor all those together and work together as a team between the lawyer and the client to get them the maximum amount of money that they deserve. I'm Brian Gorelnik with the injury losses of Brian D. Gorelnik, where if you've been in an accident, you deserve to demand more.